Dr. Harrison, a moment of your time? Regarding Mr. Thompson, post-op day 3. His knee flexion is progressing, but his quadriceps activation is still quite poor. I'm concerned about his gait pattern developing compensatory strategies. Also, Mrs. Jenkins from Ward 7, the hip replacement, her pain management seems suboptimal, impacting her early mobilization. We've adjusted her bedside exercises, but she's quite resistant. On a slightly different note, the new referral system for elective joint replacements is causing a backlog in initial assessments. We're often getting patients days after their discharge, which delays crucial early rehab. We've brought this up in the departmental meeting. However, my primary concern today is young Masterly, the adolescent with the tibial fracture. His adherence to non-weight bearing is inconsistent, and I've noted increased swelling and tenderness, which could indicate delayed union or even compartment syndrome. I've already advised immediate review by the surgical registrar.
Right, Mihira, Masterly. That's worrying. Have you seen any ecchymosis or neurological deficits? Because if it's compartment syndrome, we'll need to intervene promptly.
Not ecchymosis yet, Dr. Harrison, but the pain described is disproportionate, and there's palpable tension.
Mihira, I want you to know first that what you're facing is a common and carefully managed experience. The surgical procedure itself is considered minor and routine, so you will be given general anesthesia, meaning you will be completely asleep, feel nothing at all, and wake up only after everything is finished. It is a standard, well-practiced operation that many people undergo each day without complication, and the surgical team will be with you at every moment. When you wake up, some discomfort is expected, but your comfort is the highest priority. Right after surgery, you will likely receive pain relief through N4, often morphine, which works quickly and allows the nurses to adjust the dose precisely to your needs. They will check on you regularly, asking about your pain level so they can act before it becomes distressing. Mihira, as the initial hours pass and your body begins to heal, the plan will shift to oral medications, likely morphine in tablet form for a short time, and then gradually to familiar over-the-counter options like paracetamol or ibuprofen. This step-down approach ensures you never feel abandoned by the pain. Throughout, your medical team will listen to you, review your progress often, and adjust everything to keep you as comfortable as possible. You will be guided, not rushed, and every measure is taken so you can focus entirely on resting and recovering.